Dear friends, in this video you are going to learn about how to form sentences in present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Welcome to you. First, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense sentence shows an action which is finished at the time of speaking. The sentence structure of this tense is subject plus have or has plus past participle plus object. Example, we have finished our work. Present perfect tense sentences are used to speak about the action which is just over in the recent past. Positive sentences. I have eaten all the fruits. In this sentence, I is the subject, have is used, eaten is the past participle form of eat, and all the fruits is the object. We have drawn pictures. You have done your duty. He has completed his homework. She has written a poem. It has beaten a boy. They have fought bravely. Negative sentences. If we add not after have or has, it will become negative sentences. I have not eaten all the fruits. We have not drawn pictures. You have not done your duty. He has not completed his homework. She has not written a poem. It has not beaten a boy. They have not fought bravely. Interrogative sentences or questions. Have I eaten all the fruits? Have we drawn pictures? Have you done your duty? Has he completed his homework? Has she written a poem? Has it beaten a boy? Have they fought bravely? Negative interrogative sentences. Haven't I eaten all the fruits? Haven't we drawn pictures? Haven't you done your duty? Hasn't he completed his homework? Hasn't she written a poem? Hasn't it beaten a boy? Haven't they fought bravely? Now let's learn about the uses of present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used to express an action which is just completed. For example, Arun has just gone out. Teacher has entered the class. This tense is also used to express an action which has begun in the past but still continues. Example, I haven't eaten anything since yesterday. She has not seen her father for 10 years. This tense is also used to express a past action which has effect in the present. Example, he has stopped smoking. Now he is healthy. I have finished my work. Now I am free. It is also used to express a past action where time is not known. Example, she has been to Australia. Now, present perfect continuous tense. Sentence structure is subject plus have or has plus been plus verb with ing form plus object. Example is, I have been drawing a picture. Sentences of this tense are used to express an action which has started in the past and still continues in the present or future. To make negative sentences, use the negative word not after the first helping verb because there are two helping verbs in the sentences of this tense. Positive sentences. I have been living in Dharwad for the last 15 years. He has been working since morning. Still, the work is not over. You have been waiting here for a long time. Negative sentences. I have not been living in Dharwad for the last 15 years. He has not been working since morning. You have not been waiting here for a long time. Positive sentences. She has been reading a novel since yesterday. We have been standing in the hot sun since morning. It has been barking for the last 1 hour. They have been searching for the thieves. Still the thieves are not caught. Negative sentences. She has not been reading a novel since yesterday. We have not been standing in the hot sun since morning. It has not been barking for the last 1 hour. They have not been searching for the thieves. Interrogative sentences or questions. Have I been living in Dharwad for the last 15 years? Has he been working for the last 8 hours? Have you been waiting here for a long time? Has she been reading a novel since yesterday? Have we been standing in the hot sun since morning? Has it been barking for the last 1 hour? Have they been searching for the thieves? Negative interrogative sentences or negative questions. Have I not been living in Dharwad for the last 15 years? Has he not been working for the last 8 hours? Have you not been waiting here for a long time? Has she not been reading a novel since yesterday? Have we not been standing in the hot sun since morning? Has it not been barking for the last 1 hour? Have they not been searching for the thieves? Thank you for watching my video. Feel free to subscribe this channel for more videos on grammar and spoken English.